Today we're going to change the base plate on a Belle PCLX 320 plate compactor. Firstly, remove the cover by unscrewing the 4 bolts and washers using a 10mm socket. Then remove the belt from the pulley and the clutch safely. Now detach the bed plate by unscrewing the 4 bolts and washers using a 15mm socket. You will now need to release the exciter. To do this, you will need to unfasten the 6 bolts. Now remove the exciter. Unscrew the vibration mounts. You can now replace the base plate. Screw the mounts back into position. Place the exciter back and secure. Reattach the bed plate and secure with the 4 bolts. Place the belt back into position. Return the cover back on and secure with the bolts. That's how you change the base plate on a Belle PCLX 320 plate compactor. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.